Hi everyone, I'm Palashi Vaghela, PhD candidate at Cornell University, and I'm here to talk about our paper, Birds of a Caste, How Caste Hierarchies Manifest in Retweet Behavior of Indian Politicians. So what is caste? Caste is a system of graded inequality codified in Hindu scriptures that assign social status of a person in the form of different jatis or subcastes. These can be broadly categorized under 4 groups that you can see in this pyramid. At the top, we have Brahmins, who have traditionally been priests, scholars, and legislators, followed by Kshatriyas, who were once kings and warriors, and then Vaishyas, who were the merchant classes. People in these 3 caste groups are often referred to as upper or forward castes and have historically had better access to resources and means of production in India. Those at the bottom of this caste hierarchy are Shudras or traditional peasants. Lastly, outside of the 4 groups, we have those considered even lower than the Shudras. Adivasis or indigenous people of India and Dalits, who are considered lower than the lowest castes, also formally known as untouchables. These 3 groups are caste oppressed groups and also known as backward or lower castes. Caste is a form of historical oppression in India. This raises the question, does the caste pyramid matter in online political behavior? If yes, then how can we study it? Post the general elections of 2014, Twitter has become an important actor in the political landscape of India. So much so that many politicians have moved to it exclusively to communicate with their constituents. This has meant that what politicians say and do online and the nature of their networks have become extremely important in understanding political behavior. For example, retweets are a good metric of understanding who do politicians engage with and whose message do they publicly validate or amplify. So we wondered, can retweets be a window to caste relations of elected members of Parliament of India? We decided to do a simple experiment to understand caste and political behavior on Twitter. We asked, which caste has better odds of getting retweeted by upper caste members of Parliament? Here's what we did to answer that question. First, we identified Indian politicians' Twitter profiles and tweeting activity from March 2019 to February 2020 through Project Nivadak. Then we annotated the caste information of MPs with the help of Project Spinper. Next, we cleaned, matched, and reorganized caste categories. Lastly, we did a pairwise analysis of odds ratios to get relative measure of how one caste is getting retweeted by upper caste MPs compared to another. We use the Fisher's exact test to determine significance. This is a heat map of odd ratios for members of Parliament of Bharatiya Janata Party, which is currently the ruling party of India. Here, y-axis shows caste 1, whose odds of being retweeted by upper caste MPs are compared to caste 2 along the x-axis. Going from left to right and top to bottom, caste hierarchy decreases as we saw in the pyramid before. Odds ratios for a pair of castes is computed as the ratios of odds for the caste along the row, that is caste 1 in this figure, to odds of the caste along the column, that's caste 2 in this figure. Thus, darker regions indicate better odds of being retweeted by upper caste MPs. For example, in the case of Brahmins of BJP, the likelihood of being retweeted by upper caste MPs is 3.5 times higher than scheduled tribes or Adivasi MPs. In fact, their odds are higher than all castes below them. We found that upper caste MPs have better odds of being retweeted by other upper caste MPs. This finding has implications for how we understand representation of lower caste communities in electoral politics. Affirmative action ensures their representation, but not integration in the networks of upper caste MPs. Thus, our study contributes to the field of CSCW by underscoring relevance and importance of studying caste in online behavior. We outline a methodology to study caste relations through online behavior. And lastly, we turn the gaze of caste research towards castelessness of upper castes. This work was done in collaboration with Ramaravind Mothilal and Joyojeet at Microsoft Research, and we invite you to read our paper for detailed discussion of methods and other research outcomes from this study. Thank you very much, and we welcome your questions.